I do gotta clean up the living room or the video game area, so I'll probably do that real quick. Gotta get it all organized so I can separate what I need to keep versus what I need to sell. And once I do that, I can kind of sort everything out. And for the most part, getting everything done with the laptop computer area, or I guess it's the computer area now, it's pretty much done. I just gotta do some cable management and I think I'll be good. So, all right, let's jump in. I think this is the second part of my video, so let's do it. Alright, so just got done doing cable management and everything. Got it a little bit more cleaned up right here. Let's look at the living room. So, got it all cleaned and organized. Everything on that table is basically, for the most part, things I'm going to sell. I got all this organized, cleaned up a little bit more. Got the closet finally organized and clean. Got the games in order. Boxes up there, just tools down there. Got some trash right there I gotta throw away still. But everything is looking pretty clean and solid. So let's take a look. Gotta clean all this up still, so it's all just all over the place. But here is my desktop area. So came out really nice. If you notice, very little no cables is visible. Everything is just kind of 3M taped up here. So all the power bricks and like the cable management, things of that sort. So that goes down here to just this little protection outlet. But from a distance, this looks like everything is wireless. There's pretty much no visible cables besides this. But it doesn't look too bad, right? Pretty proud. So it came out pretty nice. Got the laptops over here that I gotta just clean up and organize and sell as well. Overall, not too bad. Just real satisfied with everything. And I think the upstairs for the most part is almost done. I do gotta get this area cleaned up so that I can probably put another section for a computer so my fiance can do her school work and everything. And we got to do some computer stuff with that for cybersecurity and whatnot. So, there we go. But yeah, not too bad. I'm digging my little setup. Now that it looks super clean, it has only the basics: headphones, microphone for streaming, wireless keyboard and mouse, and my MSI Trident is definitely holding up. I got it upgraded with 16 gigs of RAM and the new hard drives and whatever else. So, sweet. Awesome. Thank you for following. Peace.